Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay guys, today, I never thought this day would ever come, but I got a nature archway today. It is a lava one. I thought this day would never come. Oh my god. I'm serious. Look at this, guys. I just got a lava nature archway. I traded it for a porch swing, a phantom rug, angel muck wings, a rare tiki mask, my black elf bracelets, a baseball hat, a porch swing, and yeah, that was it. And this arch that was right here, the epic plushie that was right here. Oh my god, I am so happy. I can get tons of stuff with it. Oh, I've also traded bow and arrows and a top hat, if I didn't already say that, because I'm just freaking out. I am so happy, and I thought this day would never come. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy right now. You guys probably don't believe how happy I am. Trade me, oh my god, I love this trade list. Look, I finally got a nature archway. Now my next thing that I really want is a headdress, a rare long spike, and another nature archway, and a rare long wrist. But oh my god, I've wanted a nature archway for so long, and I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm bragging, but I just really wanted this for such a long time. It's crazy. Oh, and I also traded it for a rare Jamalala. See, these are good trades. Oh my god. I want a real long spike for that, like, so much. Yeah, see, I'm gonna be having a lot of people asking me that. Like, oh my god, wait for it, wait for it. And I like just got it like in one day. And also, if you check out my previous video, I traded my Beta red brick wall. So okay, well anyways, I'm just really happy, and thanks for watching. I will make another video of trade attempts for a nature archway, but bye, I'm really happy.